Have you ever walked out to your garden, ready to take in the beauty of your flowers and veggies, only to find that something or someone has gotten there first? Maybe it's a squirrel digging, a bird pecking, or even the weather itself undoing your hard work. I know how that feels. Our gardens aren't just plants in the soil, they're little pieces of our heart, and when they get ruined, it can feel like a personal loss. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive gadgets or fancy supplies to keep your garden safe. Today, I'm going to share with you $10 tree hacks that can protect your garden from just about anything. That's right, affordable, simple, and senior-friendly tricks that you can do without straining yourself. And trust me, you'll want to stay all the way until the very end, because the 10th hack is my secret favorite. It's not only clever, it makes gardening easier and more joyful, especially for seniors like you and me. But before we jump in, I want to pause for a moment and say, thank you. Thank you for spending part of your day with me here on the Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Whether you're tuning in from the US, the UK, Canada, Australia, or anywhere else in the world, you're part of a warm, growing community of gardeners who believe life just keeps blooming no matter our age. And if you enjoy this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. It really helps YouTube share these tips with more senior gardeners who need them. Plus, it's the best way to keep this community growing strong like a well-watered tomato plant. Hack 1. Plastic fork borders. Now this one always makes people smile when they first hear it, plastic forks. Yes, those same forks you've probably used at a picnic or family gathering. Believe it or not, they make excellent little garden guardians. Here's how it works. Grab a pack of forks from Dollar Tree. Usually you can get a whole set for just $1.25. Stick them in the soil around your plants with the tines pointing upward, almost like a tiny white picket fence. What this does is discourage little critters like cats, raccoons, or squirrels from stepping into your garden beds. They simply don't like the feel of those forks under their paws. It's harmless, safe, and surprisingly effective. If you want them to blend in, you can even paint the handles green so they almost disappear into the soil. It's one of those tricks that's so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it years ago. And the best part? It saves you from the frustration of coming out in the morning and seeing a paw print right where your lettuce used to be. This tiny hack protects your plants without costing you more than a cup of coffee. Hack 2. Pool noodles as plant protectors. Now moving on to hack number 2, and this one is especially helpful if you, like me, sometimes worry about your plants getting knocked over by the wind, or even if you bump them yourself while watering or moving around. Dollar Tree sells pool noodles, bright, colorful foam tubes we used to see floating around at the pool in the summer. Well, these little noodles can become your plant's best friends. Here's what you do. Take a pool noodle and cut it lengthwise. Then, gently wrap it around the base of your plants, or even along the edges of a raised bed. What this does is give your plants a soft, cushioned barrier. If the wind blows or if you accidentally brush against the stem, the noodle protects it from snapping or bending. You can even cut smaller pieces and place them around individual stems like a little collar, keeping your plants safe and steady. And let's be honest, sometimes our balance isn't what it used to be. So if you accidentally step too close, the noodle gives a little buffer without hurting the plant or you. And I have to laugh, plants don't complain about being wrapped snugly like we sometimes do when our clothes feel too tight. They just stand taller and healthier with that little extra support. Hack 3. Mesh laundry bags for produce. This one is such a gem. Dollar Tree mesh laundry bags. You know those little drawstrings bags meant for washing delicate clothes? Well, they're also perfect for protecting delicate fruits and veggies in your garden. Here's what you do. Slip the bag right over your tomatoes, strawberries, or any other produce that tends to get pecked at by birds or chewed by bugs. The mesh lets in sunlight and air, so your plants keep growing, but it creates a barrier that critters don't want to fight with. And the beauty of this hack is that it also keeps your produce clean. No more brushing off dirt, no more washing away bird droppings, your fruits stay fresh and ready. When harvest time comes, just untie the bag and you'll find your fruits waiting for you, safe and sound. It's like giving your plants their very own safety net. And honestly, it saves us from bending down to pick up spoiled fruit that fell off the plant, which I think we can all agree isn't anyone's favorite garden chore. Hack 4. Plastic baskets as mini greenhouses. Next up, Dollar Tree plastic baskets, yes, the same ones we've used for laundry toys or organizing closets. These little baskets can double as mini greenhouses for your seedlings. Here's how it works. Take a basket, flip it upside down, and place it gently over your young plants. The basket shields them from birds, squirrels, and even a strong gust of wind, while still letting sunlight and air through the openings. It's such a clever way to protect tender plants in those early days when they're most vulnerable. Plus, the baskets are light, so you don't have to strain yourself lifting them on and off. And if you want to add a touch of humor, think of it like your plants having their own little playpen. They're safe, they're growing, and they're out of trouble, just like toddlers with a bit of supervision. Hack 5. Shower curtains as frost covers. Dollar Tree shower curtains. Now, who would have thought they'd be a gardener's secret weapon? You know those lightweight waterproof curtains we've all had hanging in our bathrooms for years? Well, they're perfect for protecting your garden from frost. Here's how: on nights when the weather forecast looks chilly, simply spread a shower curtain gently over your plants. Use Dollar Tree clothespins or clips to secure it in place. The curtain traps a bit of warmth from the soil and keeps frost from settling directly on your leaves. And here's a bonus: because they're waterproof, shower curtains also make excellent rain shields. If there's a sudden downpour, your delicate plants won't get pummeled into the ground. There's something comforting, too, about using a simple household item we've trusted for decades in a brand new way. It's like giving your plants a cozy blanket for the night. And who doesn't love a warm blanket on a cold evening? Hack 6. Aluminum pans for pest deterrent. Now let's talk about something shiny: aluminum pans from Dollar Tree. At first glance, they look like something you'd bake lasagna in, but in the garden they can serve two important purposes. First, their reflective shine bounces light around your plants, which can actually confuse and scare off certain animals like birds and rabbits. They don't like those sudden flashes of light, so they'll often stay away. Second, aluminum pans can double as watering trays. Place them under pots to catch extra water, which helps your plants stay hydrated longer, especially during hot days. And I'll add this for a little laugh: just don't mistake them for leftovers and try to reheat your tomatoes. They're for the garden, not the kitchen this time. It's another example of turning something ordinary into something surprisingly effective. Hack 7. Garden gloves with grip aids. At Dollar Tree, you'll often find gardening gloves with little rubber grips on the palms and fingers. These aren't just a nice extra, they can make a big difference, especially if your hands get tired easily or if arthritis sometimes slows you down. The grip helps you hold on to tools without squeezing too hard, and it keeps things from slipping, like when you're watering, pruning, or carrying pots. It reduces hand strain and makes every task feel a little more secure. And here's the best part: they're lightweight, washable, and if you misplace a pair, it's no big deal because they're so affordable. I like to keep an extra set or two around, just in case. Remember, gardening is supposed to be enjoyable, not a workout for your joints. These little gloves give you comfort, safety, and peace of mind. Hack 8. Cooling racks as DIY trellises. Now this one always brings back memories. You know those wire cooling racks we used to set cookies on to cool? Well, those same racks can give your cucumbers, beans, or peas a place to climb. Here's how you do it. Pick up a few cooling racks at Dollar Tree and connect them with simple zip ties. Stand them up in the soil or along a raised bed, and suddenly you've got yourself a lightweight but sturdy trellis. It keeps your plants off the ground, prevents rot, and makes harvesting easier. No bending and digging to find your veggies hiding in the dirt. And there's something sweet about it too: cooling racks that once held cookies in the kitchen now holding cucumbers in the garden. It's a little reminder that the things we've used in different seasons of life can still find new purpose. Hack 9. Solar lights as animal deterrents. At Dollar Tree, you'll see those little solar garden lights, the ones you stick in the ground to glow at night. They're not just pretty, they're practical too. Animals like raccoons, rabbits, and even deer don't like unexpected light. So when you place solar lights around your garden, you create a gentle glow that makes your yard feel magical and discourages unwanted nighttime visitors. And here's another perk: it makes evening strolls in the garden safer for you too. No tripping on tools or uneven soil, you'll have a clear, glowing path. It's one of those hacks that works double duty: beauty for you, protection for your plants. And who doesn't love a little sparkle in the garden once the sun goes down? Hack 10. Shower caddies as garden organizers. Now here we are at hack number 10, my absolute favorite. And I saved this one for last because it's more than just protection, it's about saving your back, your time, and your energy. Dollar Tree sells those simple wire shower caddies. You might remember hanging them in the bathroom to hold shampoo and soap. Well, in the garden, they become amazing organizers. Here's how: hang a caddy on a fence, the side of a raised bed, or even a sturdy hook. Suddenly, you have a neat little spot for your hand tools, gloves, seed packets, or even small potted plants. Everything is right where you need it, off the ground and easy to reach. For seniors especially, this is a lifesaver. No more bending to pick things up, no more wandering back to the shed for that one tool you forgot. It keeps everything tidy, within reach, and your garden running smoothly. And I'll be honest, there's something satisfying about reusing something so ordinary in such a clever way. It's like giving a shower caddy a second life, one that makes our gardening easier and a whole lot more joyful. Now, before we wrap up, I've got a few quick bonus tips for you, little extras that don't cost much but can make a big difference. A sprinkle of cinnamon around your plants helps keep ants away, and it smells lovely too. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths make great weed barriers. Just lay them down under mulch and weeds won't stand a chance. And those little spray bottles, perfect for homemade pest repellent. Mix water, a splash of vinegar, and a drop of dish soap, you've got yourself a safe and easy bug spray. Gardening on a retirement budget without losing a bit of beauty. Let's do a quick recap. We used forks, noodles, laundry bags, baskets, shower curtains, aluminum pans, gloves, cooling racks, solar lights, and shower caddies. 10 simple, affordable hacks that can protect your garden from just about anything. Love it if you'd hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. It really helps YouTube recommend this to other senior gardeners in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and beyond. And don't be shy, share your own Dollar Tree garden hacks in the comments. We learn so much from each other here, and that's what makes this community so special. Remember, gardening doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to bring you joy. Every little effort you make grows into something beautiful, and you, my friend, are more capable and creative than you may realize. Thank you for spending this time with me on Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. Until next time, happy gardening, and may your plants and your spirit always keep blooming.